Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then you have to prepare your data like this. And here I have prepared my data. And what I'm going to do next is I'm selecting the B3 column because I want to put green color on this column. If the score is larger than 75 or equal to 75, I'm going to put a green color. Let's selecting the column like this. Then after that, we can click on this button. Then we can go down until we find conditional formatting. It's right here. Alright, just click on it and we have to put a rule to this column, and you have to click on the cell format right here, and you have to scroll down until you find custom formula. It's in the bottom, and we can write the formula like this: B3 larger than or equal to 75. All right, and we can click on custom, and I'm going to put fill color by clicking on this fill color option, and I'm going to add green color. All right, and we can click on this check mark after we choose the color, and we can click on save right here and tap on this check mark on the top left corner of our screen. And alright guys, this is the conditional formatting that I have just applied to the B column. Okay guys, that's how we can use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.